In this video I am going to show you how to buy a domain name in Namecheap, and after watching this video you will be able to easily buy a domain name in Namecheap in an easy way. So watch this video till the end, and if you are new to my channel then please do subscribe to my channel and do like this video. Now without doing any delay, let's get started. Firstly, I've given a special link for the Namecheap, this page of Namecheap, in the description of this YouTube video. You can click on it and you'll be able to visit to this page. And what happens in this page is you'll get lots of product from Namecheap in either in low price or free trial. Okay, and there are lots of offer from Namecheap. You can check if you need anything. Okay, so here is the domain. You just click on this claim now and then create your account on Namecheap firstly. Okay, once you create your account on Namecheap and you can log into Namecheap. Okay, it is extremely simple to create an account on Namecheap. You just need to submit your email address and confirm your email address and you'll be able to create your Namecheap account. And then just click on this domain and then click on this domain name search, because you need to search for the domain, okay, that you want to purchase. Now you'll see this kind of interface. Now you can simply scroll below and type the name, okay, at here, the domain that you want to buy. So let's say for example I want to buy a domain name with healthy living tip or healthy living tips. Okay, and then I can just click on search, and then you will see this kind of results. Okay, so as you can see, healthylivingtip.com costs you like $1,600. Okay, and there are lots of other domain like healthylivingtip.online cost you 0.98 per year, and you can check out other $14, $36, $1. Okay, as here you can see pro $3.98. so you can choose any domain from here. Okay, but most likely you are you may want to purchase .com domain, so this name would be not a good fit. You can search another name at here again. Okay, but for now let me show you how exactly you can purchase the domain. Okay, so let's say you want to buy this healthylivingtip.pro, and then you can just click on add to cart. So once you click on this add to cart, then you will see this checkout button. Now simply click on this checkout. Now you will see this kind of interface. This is enabled, it is free forever, so let it be on. Okay, now scroll below and check out if you need any other thing at here. Okay, and you can get that too. Scroll below, and then you can see here confirm order. Just click on this confirm order. Now you'll see this kind of interface. You can select any. If you have PayPal, you can pay with PayPal. Okay, if you have card to pay, then you can use your card to pay, and scroll below. Okay, and then if you don't have updated your billing address, you can simply click on add new contact and add this billing address, okay, which is yours. Scroll below, and if you want to automatically renew your domain and all the services that you have took from Namecheap, then regarding this domain healthylivingtip.pro, then you can tick mark this. Okay, in this way your free domain privacy will be renewed, premium DNS will be renewed, domain registration will be also renewed before expiration. As you can see here, automatically renew all of my eligible new services before expiration. Okay, but if you want to manually renew it, then that's fine, you just deselect it. Okay, and then just save the configuration. Okay, so that whenever you buy another domain, then you can use that same configuration and payment setting. Okay, payment method, payment setting, you can click on it or you can leave it like it this. Okay, so after that you can just click on this continue. You don't need to select anything. Okay, if you don't want, just click on this continue. Now you'll see this kind of interface. Just scroll below and then just click on this checkout with PayPal. Okay, and you can pay this amount that is that Namecheap is showing for you like $4.16, and this domain is going to be yours once you buy this domain. Okay, I'm not going to pay for this domain because I have already bought in past the similar domain, and I'll show you that once you buy the domain. Okay, after checking out, okay, then you'll see that domain in this domain list. Okay, in this way, as you can see, healthylivingtips.pro, I have already bought it previously. Okay, Now you need to redirect it to some hosting. If you need to redirect it to some hosting, then just click on this manage. So as you can see in domain list, it is inside this domain list. Okay, just scroll below. Okay, and then click on Namecheap basic DNS, and then click on custom DNS and redirect it to any hosting you want to redirect it by putting name server. Okay, just put this custom DNS and name server 1, name server 2. Just put the name server from the hosting company, and then this domain will be redirected to your hosting. Okay, but if you have Namecheap web hosting, okay, Namecheap from web hosting from Namecheap, then you can simply select it. Otherwise Namecheap basic DNS is fine. Okay, so once you do this much, then just click on this tick mark. Okay, and then it's fine for you. Okay, everything is fine. So guys, it's that simple to buy Namecheap, a domain from Namecheap in a step-by-step process. Okay, now if you have any question, comment below. Take care, have a great day, bye bye.